Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm assassinghost and today I'm going to show you how to create a logo using your Android device. So for making this logo we are going to use an app known as PixArt. So first of all I'm going to choose the image for my logo. I'll just go to gallery and I'll go to pictures, then I'll go to this image. I think this is a great image for the background. Of course you can go ahead and choose anything you want depending on the type of logo you want to make, but for this tutorial I'm just going to take this wallpaper and I'm going to share it using PixArt so that we can open it in PixArt. PixArt is a great application on Android for creating various stuff like logos, flyers, business cards, every graphical stuff which you can make. It contains very good amount of options and tools which you can use to create many powerful and great designs. So for example, this image has been loaded. I'll just go ahead and go to tools and I'll go to crop. Then I'll select the aspect ratio to 1:1, 1:1, and then I'll just go ahead and select a section of this image. I'll press OK. Now we get the background in rectangular format, square format, right? Then I'll go to the shape mask and I'll click on it. And once we are here we can see so many shapes which you can use to mask this image. So for this tutorial I'm just going to use this image, but first let's take a look at all the other options available. You can use many different logos. So for example, you want to make a cover art for a music album, then you might want to use this or something like that. So let's go ahead and use our logo. So this is something like A, or yes, A. I'll just go ahead and increase the opacity to 100%. We'll get a white background. Now we need to add a nice image. I'll go and click on this BG pattern, that is background pattern, and I'll select this image. And now once we have selected it, you can see it's a nice logo. I call this fire and water because the logo itself is something like watery and the background is fiery, so I call it fire and water. You can also see this image on my Instagram profile if you follow me there, and pretty much this is how you can create many different logos. So if you want, you can just go ahead and use the shape mask tool again, and let's go ahead and do something like this. And if you want to create this, then you can create this, and you can choose anything you want depending on the type of project you are doing or the type of workflow you are in. So this was pretty much how you create a logo on your Android device in PixArt. So if you like this video, please make sure to leave a like and also subscribe to my channel, and be sure to follow me on Instagram because I post these kind of illustration and designs like every other day. And as always, thanks for watching.